Hi guys, in front of me is HUAWEI P60 Pro, and let me show you how to remove lock screen or fingerprint ID. So once you wish to remove lock screen protection, just open the settings, go to biometrics and password, choose fingerprint, provide your lock screen, and tap on fingerprint. Select delete and confirm that you wish to do it. Then let's go back and click on disable lock screen password, tap on disable, provide it. And that's it. As you can see, from now on you'll be able to unlock your device with no protection method. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.